Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover Open tab, under File menu. Let's begin. I am going to click on File menu. Open tab. We can open documents from recent documents. We can open documents from cloud. That is, I am using OneDrive to store my documents on cloud. We can open the documents from PC. Default folder will be Documents. We can navigate to different folders by clicking on arrow mark. We can add place. That is cloud locations like SharePoint and OneDrive. Also, we can open document by browsing in the local system. Under Tools, we can map network drive. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy eBook on Microsoft Excel interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.